When you think about how fast tech moves these days, it is pretty obvious that staying on top of things means updating our daily routines. That is exactly what Genspark is for. It is an all-in-one setup that pulls your go-to apps into a single, clean workspace. You do not have to waste time constantly switching different tools anymore because it utilizes smart, targeted AI assistants to tackle everything from visual design to heavy number tracking. Today, we are taking a close look at Genspark to see exactly how it reshapes modern workflows and keeps things running smoothly. Let us look at how this platform changes our approach to creative branding and visual identity. When we dive into the creative side of things, the design agent removes the barrier for anyone who needs high-quality assets but lacks technical graphic design training. For instance, if you're building a new brand from scratch, you can feed the system a basic idea, and it generates a complete visual identity system, including custom logo variations, cohesive typography, and secondary brand elements. It goes way beyond basic image generation by adjusting to real-world contexts, meaning you can take a photo of a brick-and-mortar storefront or an old retail space, upload it, and watch the system completely remodel the interior and exterior to match your brand style. This level of control is especially clear when you build documents like physical menus or promotional posters. If you modify a single price or swap out a menu item, the layout engine automatically rearranges the text, shifts the spacing, and preserves the typographic alignment so you never have to manually fix broken formatting grids. We also notice this fluid behavior when creating mock-ups for merchandise, takeout bags, and custom product packaging like tins or boxes. Everything stays visually consistent across both physical items and your digital storefront assets, making it an incredibly useful starting point before handing the reins over to production. While standard coding assistants usually require a person to review, edit, and paste lines of code manually, this setup operates with complete agentic autonomy to build, test, and deploy functional applications from text descriptions. For example, if we ask it to create an appointment scheduling platform for a local salon or a full e-commerce storefront for a retail brand, the agent doesn't just output a static landing page, it simultaneously generates the user-facing front-end website and a fully operational back-end admin dashboard where owners can track real-time client reservations, manage product inventories, and confirm transactions. For personal utility, it can instantly spin up localized tools like interactive family chore trackers with built-in point tracking systems, or even simple browser-based games from a single prompt. For technical teams, the system integrates directly with existing GitHub repositories, allowing non-developers to request structural changes, such as turning a rigid image gallery into a responsive, swipeable carousel component. The agent automatically modifies the codebase, runs the necessary tests, handles the version control logic, and deploys updates directly to the web browser or mobile application environment. We often lose hours trying to track conversation highlights or transcribe action items, but this tool automates that entire administrative burden directly from your wrist or mobile device. For instance, it introduces a dedicated recording framework for the Apple Watch, allowing users to start capturing an active conversation with a quick double-tap gesture. The recording runs seamlessly in the background while you continue using your watch for other tasks, and the moment the discussion concludes, the audio file automatically syncs to your phone to generate structured summaries. Alternatively, if you prefer utilizing your smartphone, the main application integrates directly with enterprise calendar systems like Google Workspace or Outlook. It automatically monitors your daily schedule, syncs relevant event contexts, and initiates recordings with a single tap when a meeting begins. Within seconds of finishing the call, the back-end system processes the audio into categorized notes, clearly separating overall event summaries, core discussion topics, notable contextual insights, and explicit action items that can be distributed to all participants with one click. Instead of letting your email chains turn into a disorganized mess of unread messages, this inbox agent directly interfaces with all the underlying software components to put your communication workflows on complete autopilot. To see this in action, imagine you receive multiple competitive vendor quotes over email that require an immediate side-by-side comparison for a project budget. You can simply use commands to instruct the system to analyze the emails, and it will automatically extract the raw data, cross-reference the pricing tiers, and build a set of presentation slides detailing the differences along with custom negotiation strategies. Furthermore, the Workspace allows you to deploy automated scheduled agents that trigger routines at specific times, like every morning at 9. These background routines scan your incoming messages, sort through project updates, and organize your chaotic mail history into a clean, unified morning dashboard that highlights urgent priorities, pending tasks, and timeline changes. This workflow turns your mailbox from a passive storage bin into an active assistant capable of drafting context-aware email replies and answering specific operational queries instantly based on past message threads. We often find that traditional data entry and statistical tracking involve writing complicated formulas or dealing with broken cell references, but Genspark's AI Sheets version acts like a dedicated personal data analyst that writes the structural logic behind the scenes. For example, if you need to compile complex financial records, you can instruct the system to pull raw public filings, such as official SEC documents, and it will instantly structure them into organized financial balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow tracking systems. It also bridges the gap between raw corporate storage and visual presentation by linking directly to live developer databases like Superbase. By interpreting your plain English requests, the agent writes custom SQL queries to extract information, perform structural math, and instantly generate clean performance metrics, pie charts, and data breakdowns. If you are handling marketing channels or product management, you can dump messy sales logs into the sheet and ask for an executive performance summary, allowing the tool to isolate top-performing avenues, identify drop-off patterns, and outline actionable business strategies without requiring manual script creation. In the same way that numbers get organized cleanly inside the spreadsheets, handling your written reports and official papers demands a structured layout engine, which is handled entirely by the agentic document creator. If we need to spin up an interactive user feedback survey, a detailed itinerary for a corporate function, or an organized weekly class schedule, we just describe the goal and the system maps the text into clean, modern design frameworks automatically. It also handles personal career documentation by allowing users to import existing digital profiles, such as a comprehensive LinkedIn page, and instantly converting that scattered professional history into a highly tailored, cleanly formatted resume block. For moments when you want to avoid visual layouts entirely and focus strictly on drafting your core narrative, the Workspace allows you to toggle into a clean markdown mode for distraction-free writing. This makes it incredibly easy to switch fluidly between structured design tasks and heavy editorial drafting inside the exact same Workspace environment. Ultimately, Genspark proves to be an incredibly capable and adaptable all-in-one workspace that replaces the friction of fragmented applications with structured, autonomous AI agents. By bringing design, development, documentation, and inbox management into one unified hub, it fundamentally changes how efficiently we run our daily businesses and creative projects. Go ahead and explore the platform today to see how it can optimize your workflow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.